So now if you look at logarithms, so if a is a positive real number other than 1, such that uh, a power x is equal to m, is equal to m, then x is the uh, logarithm of m to the base a. So we write that as x is equal to log m to the base a. Okay, and a is greater than 0 and a is not equal to 1. And if we got if a power x is equal to m, then x is equal to log m to the base a, and if x is equal to log m to the base a, then a power x is equal to m. Okay, and now let us see some examples based on this. Okay, so okay, when we have we 3 power 4, we know that 3 power 4 is 81, right? So 4 is equal to log 81 to the base 3, and 10 cube is 1000, we know that, and 3 is equal to log 1000 to the base 10, and square root of 2 to the power 10 is 32, and 10 will be equal to log 32
Mhm.
to the base
True.
root 2. Okay, the relation a power x is equal to m is called the index form or the exponential form. Okay, and x is equal to log m to the base a is the logarithm form. Okay, so this is an index form, and this is the logarithm form. So let us see the first law. Log mn to the base a, okay, which is equal to log m to the base a plus log n to the base a. Okay, and second law, log m by n to the base a, which is equal to log m to the base a minus log n to the base a. Okay, and we have one more law, which is log m to the power of n to the base a is n log m to the base a. Okay, and we have one more law also, which is log n to the base a is equal to log n to the base e by log n to the base e. So this will be since the base a, right? So you have to consider this as a. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So let us see a few examples now. So let us find for log 32 to the base 8. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So let us put that as x. So log 32 to the base 8 as x. Okay. So this would be 8 power x is 32, right? So we this was in the logarithm form. Okay, and this we have written in index form. Okay, now this would be 2 cube, right, to the power of x, and on the right hand side this is 2 power 5. Okay, so this I can write as 2 to the power of 3x. Fine. So you get this as 2 power 5 on the right hand side. So you can equate this. So 3x is equal to 5. So you get x value as 5 by 3. Okay. So we get log 32 to the base 8 as 5 by 3. So let us solve this. So we'll consider this as x. So which is log 243 to the base 9, which is a logarithm form, and index form will be 9 power x, which is 243, right? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So this is 3 square to the power of x, and this will be again 3 power 5. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this will be 3 power 2x, and this is 3 power 5, right? So you can equate this 2x as 5 and x is equal to 5 by 2. So you got log 243 to the base 9 as 5 by 2, right?
Yes, sir.
Now let us find log 625 root 5 to the base 5. Okay, let us see this, how to do it. So again, let as x as log 625 root 5 to the base 5. Okay, let us write it in a index form, which is 5 power x and 625 root 5. Okay, and then this would be
5
5 power x, which is equal to 625, can be
624
written as 5 power 4, and this is 5 to the
root.
half root. Yes.
Yes.
So which would be equal to, as when you simplify 4 by 4 plus 1 by 2, which will result to 5 to the power of 9 by 2. Okay, so taking the powers, right, and then we equate it. So x will be 9 by 2. So you, yeah, and then
X
log
log
625
625 root
root
5
50 root 5
base 5.
is 9 by 2.
Nine.
Okay, so that's it. That's how we are going to solve it. Okay. Now let us find log 0.1 to the base 10. Okay, so let x as log 0.1 to the base. So this was a logarithm form. Let us write this in an index form. 10 power x is equal to 0.1, right?
Yes.
Or 0.1 you can write as 1 by 10 or 10 to the power of minus 1. Fine. And x will be minus 1. So this will be log 0.1 to the base 10 will be minus 1. Okay. So let us find the value of m. Okay.
Yes.
So the log m to the base 10.4, which is 3. Okay. So
Yes.
that can be written as index
So
form,
3
that is
3 no
0.
minus 3 sir.
Uh, yeah.
Minus
Sorry,
3 na
this is
3.
0 point. This is 0 point. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Please make the correction. Okay. Minus. Okay. So
Yes,
zero
sir.
point 0.4, right, to the power of minus 3, which is equal to m. Okay. We can write that. So this would be 1 by 0 0.4, right, to the power of 3. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Again, we can write this as 4 by 10 whole cube. Okay. So if you bring it on to the numerator, so you get 10 cube by 4 cube, right? So which is equal to m. Okay. After simplifying it, so you get m value as 125 by 8. So that will be the final answer. So let us find says a log 64 to the base 2 root 2. Okay, let us find this. So again, x, keeping this x as log 64 to the base 2 root 2. So this is 2 root 2 to the power of x, which is 64, right, which is in the index form. Also, we can write this as 2 power 6. Okay, so combining this together, so you get 2 to the power of 3 by 2. Okay, into x to the power 6 and 2 power 3 x by 2, which is equal to 2 power 6, or 3x by 2 as 6. So when you simplify it, you get x as 4. So hence we get log 64 to the base 2 root 2, which is 4. So let us find it. First, let us find what is log 16 to the base 2. Okay. Um, now this will be equal to 4. Okay. 4, right?
Yes, sir.
So uh, also we can write this as 2 power 4, which is 16,
60.
right?
Yes, sir.
So which is in the index form, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So and log of log of 16 to the base 2, which is this will be log 4 to the base 2, right? Yeah.
Yes,
Which is also which can be written as 2, right? Since 2 square is 4, right? 2 square is 4, right? And
yes, sir.
then okay. So
Yes, sir.
what do you get at the final result? Okay. Let us try
Yes,
to
sir.
solve this now. So this becomes 6 to the power of 1 by 2 to the base 2, plus again this will be log 2 by 3 to the power of 1 by 2 to the base 2. So we know that the law here which we apply is m power n is n log m. Okay, let us apply that. So this will be half log 6 to the base 2
Yes,
plus half log 2 by 3 to the base 2, right? Okay,
yes, sir.
we'll try to solve this part later. Okay, let us concentrate on 2 by 3. Okay, so
Yes, sir.
now this is by using log m by n to the base a, so which is log m to the base a minus log n to the base a. So let us that. Okay, so this is log 2 to the base 2 minus log 3 to the base 2, right?
Yes, sir.
Now let us take half as common for both. So this will be log 6 to the base 2 plus log 2 to the base 2. Okay, and minus log 3 to the base 2. Okay,
Yes,
now again we can put these two together, right? And by using log m into n. Okay, so that would be log m into n, that is 6 into 2, which is 12, right? Minus
yes, sir.
log 3 to the base 2. Okay, since the bases are same. Now again uh, by using m by n, okay? Log 12 by 3, right, to the base 2. Okay, and further if you simplify this, so this will be log 4, right, to the base 2. Now log 4 to the base 2, we can write this as 2. Now this results to 1 after simplifying it. Okay, let us try to find solution for this. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so 7, this is log m minus n. So log 10 minus log 9. Okay, fine. And then this will be minus 2 log 25 minus log 24, right? And plus 3, so will be log 81 minus log 80.
Log 8.
80. Yeah. Now let us see how do we solve further. Okay. This 10 can be split now, right? Observe this carefully. Log 2 plus log 5. Okay, because log m into n, 2 into 5, which is 10, right? So which will be log
Yes,
10,
sir.
right?
Yes,
Minus
sir.
this part I'll look into later, or we can put this as um, log 3 square, right? Okay,
Yes, sir.
yeah, close the bracket, minus 2, and this will be log 5 square. Okay, and I'll split this again. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so log 4 and log 6. I can write this. Okay, 6 4s are 24, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now the last term which we have. So 9 square is 81, right? So
Yes, sir.
log 9 square, right? Minus this, again I can split it. Okay, as log 8 plus log 10, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So let us simplify further. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So 2, right? So yeah.
Yes, sir.
So let us simplify all this together. So this would lead to, after simplifying, which would be equal to log 2. So this will be the final answer. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So let us find x. Find x if log x to the base 8 plus log x to the base 4 plus log x to the base 2, which is equal to 11. Okay, let us find the value of x here. Okay, so let us change the base to 2 in each term. So let us put that. Okay, so log x to the base 2, okay, log 8 to the base 2, and plus log x to the base 2 and log 4 to the base 2, right? And
Yes, sir.
plus log x, okay, so that we can take as common, okay, to the base 2, which is equal to 11. Now let us take log x to the base 2, which is common, right? And this I can write as log 2q to the base 2 plus 1 by log 2 square to the base 2, okay, and plus 1, which is equal to 11, right?
Yes, sir.
And then further, so it will be log x to the base 2, right? And this can be written as that is 3 log, right? So this is 3 log 2 to the base 2 plus 1 by 2 log 2 to the base 2, okay? This is 1, okay. On further simplification, um, this will be log x to the base 2. This is 1 by 3, right? And this is
Yes,
1
sir.
by 2, and this will be plus 1, right? Which is equal to 11. Now, when you simplify this, so you'll get as 11 by 6 log x to the base 2, which is equal to 11, fine. Or um, further simplifying, you get log x to the base 2 as 6, or x is 2 power 6, which is equal to 64. So the value of x which we found is 64.
60.
Okay.
Yes, sir.